Hello everyone! Today I have a little lookbook for summer with 7 different outfits for each day of the week. I have many new favorite summer items and accessories with some casual looks and some that are a little bit more put together. And I can't wait to share, so let's get started. For my first outfit, this is one of my most recent summer purchases and my current favorite summer dress. This is a dress from With Jean and I love this colorful ditzy floral print. It really reminds me of the 60s and 90s retro mod fashion. I also want to mention that the fabric is extremely comfortable. It's lightweight, thin, and breezy, but it still feels really soft and high quality, so it's perfect for the summer. So I've accessorized this hairstyle with my favorite summer hair accessory, these multicolored floral gem hair clips. And this is one of the many summer hairstyles that I have been wearing lately, and I shared a huge compilation tutorial in last week's video if you guys are interested in checking that out. For jewelry, I'm wearing some of my favorite summer necklaces. This floral choker was made in collaboration by Hey Hejia and also Skin Studio. I'm slinging on a white pearl crossbody bag for a simple yet fun touch of detail. And lastly, of course, whenever I have an outfit with even a slight retro inspiration, I tend to throw on my white Miu Miu platforms to complete the outfit. For outfit number 2, I have something a little bit more casual and sporty. Just because you're wearing a mini skirt doesn't mean you can't be mobile, and this outfit is actually insanely comfortable, and I've thrown this on for casual days outdoors. I think you guys will be able to tell in this video, but recently I've been really obsessed with monochromatic outfits, and my favorite way to wear a monochromatic outfit is in all white. I'm wearing a simple lettuce edge crop top from YesStyle paired with another recent purchase, a form-fitting lace mini skirt from For Love and Lemons. To play off on the sporty preppy look, I held my hair back with a cream headband also from YesStyle. And coming in a little closer, I swapped out my usual dainty jewelry with some heavier silver hardware just to offset the femininity of the rest of the outfit. I'm wearing a heavy chain choker with a heart locket and pairing that with some thick silver hoops from Ana Luisa. I love these hoops so much. They are definitely my daily go-to earrings. They're simple yet unique in their design and shape. For my shoes, of course I'm wearing a pair of white sneakers to complete everything, and these are the Ultra Boost 20 from Adidas. So Say bought me these a few months ago, and we actually have matching pairs, which is pretty cute when we go out together. Lastly, as with many of my all-white looks, I'm pairing this outfit with my crystal Miu Miu bag. The crossbody strap with the contrasting black edge detailing adds more toughness to this look. So overall, I think this entire look has a great balance between sporty and feminine. So in the middle of the week, it's usually grocery shopping day, and I have a very casual but cute and still comfortable outfit perfect for running errands, grabbing coffee, or heading to the market. First, I'm wearing the Darren denim boyfriend jeans from Jing. The boyfriend jean has a more relaxed fit while still giving structure, so they're definitely more comfortable for an everyday jean. And I actually have a personal rule of never wearing bottoms unless it's high-waisted. Because I'm 5'2", I'm someone on the shorter side, so a high-waisted silhouette helps elongate your figure and gives you the illusion of longer and slimmer legs. I've paired my denim with the jasmine blue crop top also from Jing, and altogether this creates another monochromatic look but in blue. I think a monochromatic look can still be achieved even when the colors aren't exactly a match. And the organza sleeves are my favorite thing about this top because the mix and match of fabrics makes it even more interesting. Moving on to jewelry, you guys might recognize these pieces because I've been wearing them non-stop during spring and summer. They're my favorite go-to pieces to top off any outfit. Both the necklace and the earrings are from YesStyle, and the dainty little floral designs are complementary to each other, although not exactly a set. Lately, I've been collecting tote bags from my favorite stores and designers, and I received this super adorable tote from With Jean when I bought my dress in my first outfit, and this is just so easy to reach for when I'm out running errands, and of course you never want to forget your reusable bag when you're going to the market. Lastly, I'm finishing the outfit with one of my favorite casual summer shoe. I got these vegan Blair sandals from Doc Martens about 2 years ago, and they've been a summer staple ever since. They're incredibly comfortable, and I could literally walk days in these because of the thick padded soles. For outfit number 4, I just had to share a lazy summer sundress look that's perfect for any day. A white sundress is almost obligatory for the summer, and this is the Hermia white fairy mini dress from Jing. It's so lightweight and fluttery with a delicate neckline, thin straps, and a flouncy skirt, but the bodice also features light boning, and altogether between the softness and the hard aspects of this dress, I think it's super unique. I'm pairing another white outfit with my crystal Miu Miu bag, except this time I'm opting to go strapless just to carry on my arm for a daintier look. And I always love pairing delicate dresses with heavy shoes to bring more balance. And once again, I'm strapping into my Doc Martens sandals to make this overall look more casual and wearable. And lastly, to play off the structure of this dress, I'm busting out an old but new to me pair of Miu Miu sunglasses. For outfit number 5, I have another monochromatic, cute but sporty look. And one of my favorite summer colors has actually been green, and this pastel green is so much more approachable and wearable compared to a bright vivid green. So I'm introducing you guys to one of my absolute favorite summer essentials. This is a thin, lightweight cardigan from Chew, and I have it in many different colors. Lately, I've just been throwing this cardigan on top of all of my summer outfits. It really cinches in the waist and arms for a flattering shape. For my hair, this is also another one of my favorite summer hairstyles. I shared a variation of this again in my summer hairstyles tutorial video, and I've just been really loving these colorful pastel hair bows, and I've been adding them to a lot of my outfits. For my top, I'm wearing a ditzy floral print top with self-tied ribbons in a dusty green color. And I say this all the time, but I really love ribbon straps because it can add a lot of cuteness to a look. For my skirt, I'm wearing a flounce skirt also in dusty green, and I love the pleating in this skirt because it's not your typical pleated skirt. The pleats are much smaller and they smooth out at the end for a very soft and flowy look. And this entire set is from Chew, so the colors are just made to match. To finish off this look, I'm wearing some plain off-white socks with white and pink detailed sneakers from Fila. And no matter how cute or fancy the outfit, you can always make it much more wearable with just a pair of sneakers, which I'm doing here. Finally, we are in the weekend, and Saturdays are usually picnic days for me and Say. Over the weekend, we usually try to do something to spend time together, and with quarantine ongoing, we've just been going on a lot of picnics. I'm wearing an outfit that's both casual and comfortable, yet still very romantic. My sheath dress is from YesStyle, and it incorporates all of the things that I've been loving lately, with another soft and dainty floral print, lightweight fabric, and a comfortable mini length. Like I mentioned before, this cardigan has been a summer staple, and this time I'm pairing my dress with a white one. Again, I'm pairing this look with my Miu Miu platform shoes just to make this outfit a little bit more romantic and special. And a lot of you guys asked me recently where my basket is from, and it's actually from Amazon. And out of all the designs that I found online, this one was my favorite because I love the little lace fabric design. And it's a really great size, and it can actually fit a lot of things. And lastly, I have been loving my new shades from Miu Miu. I'm really glad I got these because the lightweight metal frame makes these the most comfortable sunglasses that I've ever owned, and I really find myself reaching for them almost every day. And for our last outfit, I just wanted to include a quick swimsuit look because it's summer, and I know not a lot of us have access to the beach or a pool, but just take this for inspiration for whenever it's safe to go outside again. This look is definitely retro inspired, so to top off my loose curls, I'm bringing back my cream headband, and I'm also wearing one of my favorite sunglasses. These are from Oscar Wiley, and I really appreciate the bold shape and especially the clear white frame. And again, I couldn't resist bringing back my favorite green cardigan for another monochromatic look, just to show how it's an amazing piece to throw on literally anything, even a swimsuit. This swimsuit set is from YesStyle, and again, I love anything with a high-waisted bottom because you can see how it offsets the center of the body to bring it up for a shorter torso and longer legs. And again, I have another tote bag from another brand that I've been liking lately. This is from Realization, and this bag is so ginormous and relaxed. I can really throw in anything in here, from a towel to sunscreen to my phone and keys. And lastly, of course, I had to bring back my Doc Martens sandals to slip easily in and out of by the pool. So that is it for this video. That is 7 days worth of summer outfits for an entire week. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys again next week. And spoiler, my next video will be a hair transformation because I finally got rid of my quarantine roots and I did a big hair color change. So I hope you guys can look forward to it, and I'll see you guys again next time.